In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change class in bulk in Expensify. This is really useful if you've imported a lot of expenses and later realize they all need to be assigned to a different class, category, or tag. Instead of updating each one manually, Expensify lets you make that change all at once. I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged in to Expensify on the web. From your dashboard, look for the main navigation menu and click on the Expenses tab. This is where you'll see a list of all your expenses, usually with columns like date, merchant, amount, category, and any tags or classes you've set up. Next, you need to select the expenses you want to update. On the left side of each expense line, you'll see a small checkbox. Click those checkboxes for every expense that should get the new class. If you're working with a long list and want to change everything currently visible on the page, use the checkbox at the very top of the column. That top-level checkbox will select all visible expenses at once, which can save a lot of time. Just double-check your list or filters so you don't accidentally include expenses you didn't mean to change. Once you've selected your expenses, a new option will appear above the list. Look for a button that says something like Edit Multiple. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of Expensify you're using, but it will clearly indicate that you're editing more than one item. Go ahead and click that button to open the bulk editing panel. In this bulk editing panel, you'll see several fields that you can apply to all the selected expenses at the same time. Here is where you'll update the class. In Expensify, this is usually represented by the category or tag field, depending on how your account and accounting integration are set up. Click into the category or tag field, then choose the new class value from the drop-down list. Take a moment to make sure you're picking the correct one, since this change will apply to every expense you selected. Finally, confirm and save your changes. Once you click Save, Expensify will update all those expenses so they now share the new category or tag. After it finishes, review a few of the edited expenses to confirm everything looks right and you're done.